I'm going to show you how these channels make $30,000 a month posting faceless YouTube shorts using Claude to do 90% of the heavy lifting. Now, just take a look at this channel. If I pull up its stats with VidIQ, you can see it's getting millions of views, and VidIQ estimates that it's earning around $50K a month. And this isn't some 1 in a million lucky channel, it's an actual recreatable formula. Here's another channel, a completely different niche, but the same exact model. And it's pulling in hundreds of thousands of views and an estimated 5 figures in revenue every single month. And check out this third channel. Now, it was started just less than a year ago, but it's already on track to make 6 figures this year. And here's the best part. These are faceless channels, which means no filming, no studio, no team, and basically zero expenses. It's almost purely profit. So all that is to say that this business model is printing money right now. And in this video, I'm gonna break down for you guys exactly how it works so that you can go out there and do the same exact thing. But first, I need to show you why right now, in this exact moment, is one of the biggest opportunities to make money online. And literally nobody is talking about it. Now, there's been a huge decline in the number of people who are starting YouTube automation, but fewer people starting means less competition for you when it comes to posting faceless videos. And I'm not just saying this randomly. There's actually real data out there to back it up. Now, this is the Google Trends graph for YouTube automation. It got really popular back in 2023, then peaked again in 2025, but since then, it's been in constant decline. Right now, search interest is at one of its lowest points since the end of 2022. That's to say that there are fewer people looking to start YouTube automation than at any point in the last 4 years. So when somebody out there tells you, oh, YouTube automation is oversaturated, the data actually says the exact opposite, which means it's actually easier to go viral right now. But at the same time, something interesting also happened. RPM for shorts, which essentially is how much YouTube pays per 1,000 views, has gone way up. Now, let me show you what that means in practice. Remember the first channel we were looking at? Just look at this short. 14 million views in about 2 weeks. Now, not every single view gets monetized. Realistically, around half of those count as qualified views. But US Shorts RPM right now are hitting 40+ cents. So let's run the math. Roughly 7 million qualified views at a 40-cent RPM. That's around $2,800 from one short. And here's where the opportunity becomes really insane. Claude has made it stupidly easy to automate the entire content creation process for faceless videos. Researching what's working, coming up with video ideas, you can now have unlimited amounts of that. Proven, go-to viral ideas on tap. And with a few other AI tools, editing YouTube Shorts becomes just as easy. So you can go from research to idea to a fully edited, posted video. And the entire process takes around 10 minutes per short. So with all that being said, let me get into how to actually do this and build your first profitable faceless YouTube channel and take advantage of this insane opportunity. Now, everybody knows that the niche you pick for your channel is literally the most important part. If you pick a bad niche from day one, you're never gonna get views. If you pick a good niche, you could potentially scale to hundreds of millions of views. And in this video, I'm not gonna sit here and show you 20 different niches and say, you choose the best one. I'm just gonna show you the one best niche that I'm seeing new channels go viral with the fastest in 2026. This channel right here just started 3 months ago, and they're consistently getting millions of views on every single video. Like, here's a video from a few days ago, 3.4 million views. 2 weeks ago, 6.2 million views. And the niche that they're doing is literally just making ranking videos. Everybody knows it. You basically make videos where you compile a bunch of clips from other platforms like TikTok and Instagram, then you mash them together and you rank them. So add your opinion on which ones are the funniest or whatever you choose to rank them on. And channels in this niche have made hundreds of thousands of dollars with this exact format. So I can tell you confidently, this is the niche I would start with today because channels running it are making thousands of dollars every single day right now. And you can verify that for yourself. Pull up VidIQ on this channel and just look at the estimated earnings. Here's another really good channel to look at for inspiration. They only posted just over 300 videos and they already have almost 2 million subscribers and more than 3 billion views generated. Every video that they post gets millions of views. This one they posted just a few days ago has 9 million views already. Literally, just ranking the funniest football moments. This is the easiest content you could be making right now. So I'm gonna show you exactly how to make these videos super quickly and how to use AI to do 99% of the work for you. First off, you need inspiration channels to take your ideas from. So I've already given you one super good one, but here's another really good one. And here's a third great channel to reference. And you can look all of these up. And if you just go through their videos and you like and comment on a bunch of them, your whole feed will become ranking content almost right away. And then you can literally just scroll shorts and it'll show you more and more new ranking channels. Now, once you've done your research and have a bunch of great ranking channels whose strategy you want to replicate, this is where we use Claude to do all the ideation and the research on which videos you should actually make. So first, you're going to head over to Claude, but before you can actually use it for this, you need to add a little extension to it called VidIQ. And don't worry, it's completely free. Just go on Google and look up VidIQ Chrome extension. It's going to look something like this: VidIQ extension for YouTube and Instagram. And again, it's completely free. Just install it onto your Chrome browser. Once you have VidIQ installed, go to Claude and create a free Claude account. And when you refresh your screen, you'll see that VidIQ appears just right there. The Chrome extension actually automatically adds itself to your Claude, but you do need to set it up. So you're going to need to click the little VidIQ dropdown and then go to Connect YouTube Insights. It's going to take you to a page like this, where all that you have to do is click Authorize. And literally just like that, with a single click, it's done. If I hit the little drop down now, it'll show as connected. So this is where things really start to get insane. You're going to go to one of your inspiration channels that you found. Now I'm going to use this one as an example because they're already getting hundreds of thousands, if not millions of views on every single video. And they're kind of a newer channel, so I think it's a good one for you guys to get inspired. You're going to click More, and then this little pop-up's going to appear. Scroll to the bottom and click Share Channel. Then all you have to do is click Copy Channel ID right down there. Then you're going to go back to Claude. You're going to click the little plus right here, click Connectors, and then go to Add from VidIQ for Claude using that new extension we just added. Then you're going to click where it says Competitor Breakdown, and it's going to ask you to paste in that channel ID. So you just paste the ID that you copied and you click Add Prompt. It'll add this little bubbly automatically for you, and then you just hit send. And you can see that it's going to automatically start running. And as it goes, it's going to start asking you for some permissions. All that you need to do is click Always Allow on most of the things that it asks. Then just let it run. It's going to take about 5 minutes to do a full research breakdown for you. And there you go. It's done. You can see that it gave me this insane report with charts and analytics. It shows me all of the top videos from that channel, and it shows me their growth over time. So I get a full chart with all of their metrics. And now I can actually chat with Claude about this channel. And the way that you use this data is simple. You use it to get the best video ideas for your ranking videos. Because we all know, ideas are what make the ranking videos go viral. Look at the biggest channels in this niche. They get millions of views on every single post. Now, this one from last week, 15 million views. And it's because their video ideas are better than other people's. They're creative and they're unique. So in the same Claude chat, I'm just going to ask it to give me a list of viral ranking video topics based on what's already worked best for this exact channel. And just like that, it gives me the exact proven winning video topics from their channel. The top performers that are most likely to go viral if you were to recreate them. Ranking the most insane near-miss driving moments. These are such good, high-performing content ideas. So from here, all that you need to do is choose a video topic that you really like. And then you're going to take that topic and go over to this tool, RankReel. This is going to automate all of the editing and actually making the videos for you. And honestly, this is probably the most powerful part of the whole system. I'm going to leave a link for the description below so that you can get set up as well. Now, once you're inside RankReel, you'll see that this thing is built specifically for making ranking videos. You're going to enter your video title, paste TikTok clips into the rank slots, give each clip a name, and set a custom playback order. It's going to generate a finished vertical video for you, all in one place. So now, right at the top of your app, you just enter that video topic you picked from Claude. For me, I'm going to go with ranking best football moments. Now you'll notice, yeah, this looks super basic. And if you go look at the big ranking channels, you'll see that their titles always look really clean and exist in one specific format. Always 2 lines of text. Not 3, not 1, always 2. And with colors that break up the keywords. So in my app, I'm just gonna hit return about halfway through the text to split it into 2 lines. Then you need to highlight the keywords, the words that make a viewer instantly understand what the video is about. For me, that's football moments, because best doesn't really add anything. And then you just give it a color. Blue works. Honestly, I think teal looks the cleanest. And now, when somebody lands on this video, their brain instantly reads football moments, and they know exactly what they're watching. That's what stops people from scrolling away and killing your performance. Once your title is optimized, you'll need to actually go find clips to rank. And by far the best way to do this is in TikTok, because they have such a good video search engine. Just look up your video topic in the search bar. And just like that, you'll get a bunch of viral clips with millions of views that you can use in your videos. Like this clip, for example, right here, 2.1 million views. And this is really important. You only want to use viral clips. Don't grab some clip with a few hundred likes, because the original didn't go viral on its own, so why would it go viral for you? So I'm gonna download this clip, go back into my app, and paste it into the first ranking slot. Rank 1, and I hit send. And just like that, it pulls the clip into my ranking video. From here, you give the clip a short title, so viewers know what each clip is on the ranking. The big channels all do this, right? Like this one, I gave it a clip, the name Red Card, and I ranked it number 3. I'm just gonna call mine Instant Karma. And from there, you just repeat this process. Find 4 or 5 more viral clips, paste them in, name them, and here's an important thing, you need to rank the right number of clicks. Too many and people won't finish the video. Too few and you're not gonna get enough watch time. If you look at the top performing ranking videos, they almost all land around 6 clips. Honestly, I think 5 to 7 is the zone that you really wanna stay in. Once you've added all your clips, here's the next most important step, custom playback order. Now, watch the big ranking videos that are out there really closely. They don't rank in a clean descending order, 7, 6, 5, they jump around all the time. They'll show number 2 first, then 6, then jump back up, and obviously they'll save number 1 for last. It's a super smart little retention trick, because the viewer never knows what's coming, so it feels less repetitive and they keep on watching. So in your app, just turn on custom playback order and hit shuffle. It rearranges everything automatically, and you can drag clips around manually if you'd like. Then scroll down, hit generate video, and you've got a finished ranking video. Now, from here, what you need to do is post 1 to 2 shorts every single day. You need to be insanely consistent, and you cannot mess this up. It's critical. When you skip days, and I can promise you this right now, you will not go viral. And don't just take my word for it. Go look at any of those channels I showed you at the start of this video and open up their videos tab. Every single day, there's a new short, sometimes 2. That channel that's pulling in an estimated 50K a month, it's got daily uploads without missing once. That consistency is not a coincidence, it's the reason. So if you go out there and you do everything I showed you in this video, you use Claude for all your research, you make your videos in RankReel, and you post every single day, no matter what, a few weeks from now, it is totally possible that you now have a monetized channel earning money and getting millions of views every single day. So go out there, lock in, make some videos, and I'll see you in the next one.